Okay guys, hi, today we're going to be doing refrigerator, roulette, and freezer. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, I am Violet.
I'm Joe, and this is Savani.
My brother.
Say hi.
Hi. This is my baby brother.
This
Anyway,
is better.
I want you guys to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. And for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I just want you guys to know that I'm the best. Like, subscribe, hit that bell.
Besides Cutie Pie is the best.
Okay.
He has the
Anyway,
most subscribers.
we are going to be. I just said that. What? Anyway, for those of you guys who don't know what refrigerator and freezer roulette is,
We get the nastiest thing out of the refrigerator or freezer, and we have to see who can eat it, and whoever doesn't eat the item loses.
Anyway,
I can see.
You can't see.
Look it, I can.
Anyway, let's get to it, and don't manage my hair. Just
Yeah.
forget about that.
Let's go.
Okay, anyway, let's get to it. Oh, see you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to bring you to my refrigerator.
Okay, so here's everything. I think we should do garlic. The minced It's Spice World.
Okay, I mean, I guess it's gonna be nasty, but okay.
Okay, let's use a spoon.
Lord help me.
Fishy spoon. I'm gonna use a fish spoon. It's finding me now.
Me going to be eating that.
Okay, we're both gonna use this.
This is at the refrigerator.
And we're just gonna take
Remember?
a little. We're not gonna take a lot.
One.
This is
This is
refrigerator one.
One. Next, we're going to be picking our freezer item.
Yep.
So let's go to the freezer. The freezer.
Okay, I'll hold the phone while you pick an item.
Let's see. What do we got that's nasty? Well, I don't really know because, like,
All of it's like uncooked.
Oh, God. Frozen. that. Okay.
It's frozen though.
I mean, yeah, it's frozen. It's supposed to be nasty then.
That's true.
Okay, guys.
So let's just start with these two, and
So,
then we'll
this is our freezer item.
and our refrigerator.
And we're going to be trying first is the refrigerator item.
Which
So
is
let's get to
minced
it.
garlic. Just like it.
So we're opening
That's what it looks
it.
like. It smells disgusting.
I can smell it from here.
No, that's
Yeah.
my spoon. That's my spoon.
No,
We
we're
just-
gonna use it. Oh, okay, fine. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. No, it's not your spoon. Shut up, you quiet lady.
Bobby, the Chucky's in here. You have to go in the living room. Come on, hurry. Okay.
We can just use this because I don't want to use one of my mom's good spoons.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm gonna throw up
What are you doing?
using this.
Why?
Not, no.
Okay.
Ew. Don't spill.
My mom only uses this when she fries stuff. Okay. Let's use. Hold on, we need a puke bucket first. Let me get a cup.
No, I need a cup of something.
Yeah.
Wash that shit down.
Okay, we're gonna spit into these cups.
I'm drinking into these cups.
Oh yeah, pour me something too. Pour me a little something. Wow.
No, actually, I'm one.
No, I
Give
don't.
me a little one. Yes, you do.
Look, you are.
Give me it now.
Violet, shh,
I don't
you
care.
can't
It's my mom's soda. Give me it.
Bro, look.
Bruh,
look,
give me
look. No, stop.
No.
Look, we'll measure it. Look.
Okay. Anyway, since that's over.
Okay. That's how much I'm taking. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna plug my nose for this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, I never lose at refrigerator roulette, especially when I play with my niece Elisa.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
How you open this?
Okay. Told you I never lose at refrigerator roulette.
Yeah, we both tried it, so.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna put this back now.
That refrigerator one was a tie. Next is this. Frozen. Frozen.
Frozen. I need you.
Oh. Hey, you broke a glass?
Pew pew.
Oh. That's
That. Oh,
is my light thing.
No, this is.
I only miss you when I'm breathing. I'm just like, give me scissors.
Here.
No. And then get like this type of bowl, type of plate thingy. Give me a plate, actually.
Hey. Hey.
We each have to get.
What piece? No. What piece do you want? Carrot, broccoli.
Look at it, baby.
I'm gonna get broccoli because
Isn't there all just broccoli?
no.
It says broccoli.
Help me pick them up. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on, guys. So we picked out broccoli.
Here's my broccoli.
Here's my broccoli.
Okay, so let's do this.
I think it won't taste as bad as the other stuff we tried, but you know it will taste bad though. Because it's
No, I know what broccoli.
and even though I love broccoli, it won't.
You can already take a bite. It's actually good.
I can't. It won't. Huh.
I held it in my mouth for a little bit. Not bad.
I want this stem part. I gotta make this part.
Cleanse my palate a little.
Gucci. We both like it. Tie again.
I know
I'm gonna put
what
it in the freezer this
stuff.
time.
Yeah. So now Joe's gonna pick from the freezer and we're gonna figure out what she picked. Okay guys, so we're back with our items. This is my refrigerator item that I picked. And
It's smoked salmon dip.
it's, I mean, I don't know because I've never tried this before, but it looks disgusting, but you never know, right guys? I'm sorry for you guys that like smoked salmon dip. If I don't like it, I'm sorry because I don't like it then.
And I got frozen tater tots. I mean, I like tater tots, but I
Frozen?
don't know how they're gonna taste when
don't
they're
know.
uncooked.
I like.
Okay, let's get to it. We are going to try the freezer one.
First.
We're not. Dad's these days. Hey, you're already eating it. It's hard. It won't even.
I got a chunk off.
Mine won't come off, so I can't bite this because I have braces anyway. So, I'm going to say that is a no.
skeleton. I look like
It
a
already-
skeleton.
I mean, actually, it tastes good. I took a nibble bite of it. Like the taste.
I look
So,
like a
I mean-
skeleton.
Next is that.
Ooh.
So,
Here, Bobby, come over here.
we're going to use this little
Can't
teaspoon.
see.
Good tiny.
I won't open.
I can't see.
What? This is how you open it. It's not opening. Savani. Oh. We're stupid.
Come on, Bobby. Jackie's gonna get you.
Y'all, this is nasty. Nasty. Okay, you ready?
It's kind of like tuna fish,
Mhm.
in my opinion.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Did you already try it, Joe?
Oh, but it's nice. Stinks.
I was like, did you already? I mean, okay, ready? 2, 3. I swallowed mine. Ha. I win. Oh no, it's a tie. Dang it, she swallowed it. You're both savages. Oh.
No cleanse of my palate.
Okay, guys, that's the end.
No.
Of
Let's do one more.
No,
challenge.
no.
Yes. Just one more.
We'll do it in the next video we're about to make. It's gonna be our drink challenge.
Yes. Peace, babies.
Bye.
Peace,
Make
bye,
sure to leave a like.
Peace, bye, love.